Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by getting the taskbar ready. Click it or press Windows key plus T to focus. Next, pin the apps you use every day. Right-click an open app and choose Pin to Taskbar, so they launch instantly. Once done, customize which system icons show by opening taskbar settings. This lets you keep frequently used controls visible. Make sure to move rarely used icons into the chevron to reduce clutter and make the bar more efficient for the next steps. Now you organize the taskbar so it works with your workflow. Drag icons to reorder them. Place high-priority apps near Start for faster reach. Then, decide size and visibility. Enable small taskbar buttons or auto-hide the bar when you need screen space. Adjust window combining to control whether multiple windows of the same app stack together. This reduces clutter or gives separate entries, depending on your preference. Once set, test opening several apps to confirm the behavior matches how you work. Finish by locking or leaving the taskbar unlocked. Lock it if you want a consistent layout, or leave it flexible for frequent changes. Also, mute visual noise by toggling notification badges and system icon visibility in settings, so only critical alerts appear. If something goes wrong, icons missing, or the bar unresponsive, open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and restart it. That often restores the taskbar without a reboot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.